Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, identify and remove the 6 screws on the base cover. Loosen the 2 screws at the back of the cover and pry the cover away from the recess points near the hinges. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the speakers and disconnect the cables. Remove the speakers from the system. To reinstall the speakers, place them back in the system and reconnect the cables. Plug in the battery cable. Secure the base cover with the 8 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.